the Megan wedding in Springfield, Kentucky, a storm blew through and we were pretty lucky. Our only damage was a few shingles off the shed.
Some bent over flower beds.
Yeah, that one. Cages are just bent over at the ground.
But we were so lucky. You can hear the chainsaws out on Madison where they're working on trying to cut the limbs down. There's a big bunch of debris right there. That's actually a tree uprooted. Pretty much turned it right over at the root. Demolished this chain link fence.
All of the telephone poles were flattened on Friday. This is Sunday afternoon and they're getting them all righted and new ones installed. We're supposed to have electricity by Tuesday or Wednesday again.
Our neighbor behind us said that for the last 3 days you've had to show your ID just to get into our neighborhood to prove that you lived on these streets.
You can see the top of the telephone pole is hung up in the tree just to the east of it. And you can see the Southport High School sign leaning up against the telephone pole.
That is actually a utility pole suspended in the branches of that tree.
You can see on the windows that the Marion County Sheriff's Department came by this house at 5:05 p.m. and confirmed that there wasn't anybody injured or that everything was okay in the house. We had it on our windows too, but we already cleaned it off.
And this looks like the top to some kind of a shed or something that's been ripped off. Looking across the street, all the tops of those trees were just snatched off, one after the other. Just ripped them right off the tops.
And this pile of debris is the front of the house, near as we can tell. Windows, and trim, and guttering.
Just torn right off that front. Poor people.
Came right across the front of that house.
I've never seen anything like it.
Look to the power lines, up and over, and now go straight up. Look how they're wrapped around each other.
Yeah, like spaghetti.
Yeah.